am having my lunch. I will take some rice, a little tadka, enough soyabean curry, little mango chutney, few pieces of salad. I will eat neither of these. Today I am not feeling well, so I will eat none of these. I will have all the salads, a lot of sprouts, a little salt, little black pepper, few uh, few yeah, few drops of lemon,
All the words used in this video before food items are determiners. They are some, a little, enough, few, neither, all and a lot of. In this video, I will introduce you with determiners and their types. What is a determiner? A determiner is a word or phrase which is used before a noun or noun phrase. It shows quantity, number and possession. In a very simple way, we can say that a determiner shows how much, how many, whose. Let us watch another video and note down the words that are determiners.
Hi guys, I'm Sania Singh. I'm a makeup lover. I'm getting ready for party. I have several makeup brushes, a lipstick, an eyeliner. These two are my favorite bracelets. There are a few colors in this eyeshadow palette, but I use few. I use a little mascara and little kajal to make my eyes beautiful. Now I am ready for party. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Determiners. I have written down all the determiners that Sania has used before nouns, means all the makeup items. Name of all the makeup items are noun and these are determiners. Several brushes, a lipstick, an eyeliner, these bracelets, two bracelets, my bracelets, a few colors, few colors, a little mascara, little kajal. Kinds or classification. Determiners are broadly classified into 6 categories. They are articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numbers, and distributives. Let us find out determiners from this column and write them in front of each category. We will start with articles. A and N. A and N are articles. Demonstratives, these. These is demonstrative adjective. Possessives, my, your, his, these are possessives. Quantifiers, a few, a little. Numbers 2. Distributives, neither, either, each, every. Now we will discuss the use of determiners. We will start with articles. A, N, the. There are 3 articles. A and N are indefinite articles because both of them are used before an indefinite noun. A is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound like a banana, a bird, a dog, a fish. All these are consonant. N is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an arm. As we know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we will use N before the words that starts with A, E, I, O, U. The is used before a specific or particular noun. For example, let us watch the video prepared by our teacher. The video. We have used the before video because it is a specific video prepared by our teacher. Second type of determiners is demonstrative. Actually, they are demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. This is used before a singular, specific or close noun that is used for singular, specific but far or distant thing or people. These is used before plural but specific, and those before plural, specific, and for distant objects, things, people, or noun. Third kind of determiners is possessives. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, our, their, its, my, all are possessive adjectives. We use my book, your book, his book, her book, etc. Type of determiner is quantifier. Quantifiers are the words used to show quantity or number. Some, any, enough, lot, a few, little, a little, all, both, much, any, many, all, and most. All these are quantifiers. Let us start with some. Some is used to show quantity or number. Some is used in positive statement. For example, I need some food. And some is also used in question. Do you need some more? The expected answer is yes. Any. Any is used in negative statement. For example, there wasn't any person. Question is, do you have any complaint? The expected answer is no. So some is positive and any is negative. Enough, lot, a lot. All these are used with countable and uncountable both. For example, I have a lot of books. There is a lot of sugar. I have taken enough food. Now, we will discuss the use of a few and few. A few is positive but not more positive. It is a bit positive, little positive. Only with countable to specify less number than 4 or 5. We use a few for showing less numbers. For example, I have a few friends. It means I have only 3 or 4 friends. Few is used in negative sense. It means almost none. For example, only few students got 99% marks. It means almost none. The number is very less. So few is used in negative. Little and a little. The same is here. A little is something positive while little is negative, almost none. But little and a little is used with uncountables only. It shows quantity. The fifth type of determiner is distributive. Each, every, neither, either. As you know, the use of each and every for singular person, and neither and either is used for two. The sixth and last is numbers. There are two types of number, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals are 1, 2, 10, 50, 90, etc. And ordinals are first, second, 10th, etc. Now, I hope you will understand the use and types of determiners very well. It's time to assess yourself by completing the following sentences using appropriate articles a, an, or the. Now complete the following sentences using few, a few, little, and a little. I hope these exercises will be helpful in assessing how far the concept of determiners is clear to you. If not, then watch the video over and over again. See you next time.